Did you know that the global SaaS industry is projected to reach over $500 billion by 2025? It's one of the fastest growing sectors in tech right now, and for good reason. But here's the thing. While everyone's talking about AI, not enough people understand how to harness it to build a successful AI-powered SaaS business. What if I told you that you could tap into this massive opportunity, streamline operations, and create a scalable business, all by leveraging artificial intelligence? Welcome back to Factful Finance. In today's deep dive, we're going to unpack how to build an AI-powered SaaS business from scratch without overcomplicating it. By the end of this video, you'll understand the steps, the tools, and the strategies that can transform your SaaS venture into a money-making machine. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about understanding the core of AI-powered SaaS. SaaS, or software as a service, is an incredibly attractive business model because it allows for recurring revenue. But adding AI into the mix? That's what makes it special. AI can be used to enhance customer experiences, automate key processes, and improve decision-making, all critical components of any successful SaaS business. Whether you're providing data-driven insights, automating customer support, or predicting trends, AI has the power to elevate your SaaS offering in ways traditional software can't. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a certified professional for personalized guidance. Step 1. Defining your niche and AI application. You need a clear focus. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not the solution to every problem. When building your SaaS business, start by identifying a niche that could benefit from AI. This could be anything from predictive analytics to AI-driven customer support to personalization engines. Take Olivia, for example. She started a SaaS business that used AI to analyze e-commerce websites and recommend personalized products to visitors in real time. By narrowing her focus to a specific market, e-commerce, she was able to deliver powerful value with AI. Step 2. Building your AI technology stack. This is where the rubber meets the road. If you're not a technical founder, you'll need to partner with developers who understand the ins and outs of machine learning and AI algorithms. But let's not get too technical here. What do you actually need to build this AI-powered SaaS platform? First, think about data acquisition. AI thrives on data. The more high-quality data you feed it, the smarter it gets. That's why data collection needs to be a priority. Whether you're scraping web data or collecting user interaction data, make sure you have a plan to gather and store this information. Then there's the AI framework. There are many options here, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or cloud-based services like AWS AI or Microsoft Azure AI. Choose one that suits your product's needs and scale. Henry, another SaaS entrepreneur, started with AWS AI services and scaled rapidly without needing a dedicated in-house AI team. Lastly, don't forget about automation. Integrating AI with existing workflows can automate repetitive tasks, saving you and your customers time and money. AI is particularly good at areas like fraud detection, chatbots, and customer support. Step 3. Develop a scalable pricing model. Now let's talk about money. The beauty of AI-powered SaaS is that it can scale quickly and generate consistent revenue. But to make this work, you need a pricing strategy that reflects both the value you're providing and the flexibility that AI offers. One effective approach is tiered pricing. As customers grow, so do their needs, and offering different tiers allows you to cater to varying levels of usage. For instance, a basic plan could offer limited access to your AI features, while a premium tier could include advanced analytics and custom AI solutions. Ava, a SaaS founder, adopted a tiered pricing strategy with a free trial, and within 6 months her conversion rates doubled. Her customers were willing to pay more for advanced AI-driven insights that saved them time and money. Step 4. Focus on customer acquisition and retention. Having an amazing AI-powered SaaS product is only part of the equation. The next step is ensuring people know about it and, more importantly, stick around. Customer acquisition is often the hardest part, but once you've hooked a customer, retention is the key to long-term success. Start by leveraging content marketing. Think blog posts, case studies, and webinars that educate potential customers about the AI benefits they'll experience. As AI-powered tools become more mainstream, Educating your audience becomes more important than ever. Liam, a SaaS entrepreneur, ran targeted LinkedIn ads and partnered with influencers in the AI space to build his brand. He also used AI-driven analytics to track customer behavior and improve his marketing efforts over time. Then there's customer support. One of the most valuable applications of AI in SaaS is in customer service. AI chatbots, automated emails, and self-service options can significantly reduce response times and improve customer satisfaction. Step 5. Measure, improve, and scale. Lastly, AI is about continuous learning. The more feedback you get from users, the smarter your system becomes. Whether through customer behavior data, surveys, or A/B testing, you need to be constantly iterating on your product. AI itself thrives on feedback, so don't set it and forget it. Use the data you get to refine and enhance your system. Noah started small with his AI-powered SaaS platform, but after iterating and refining his product based on customer feedback, he saw an exponential growth trajectory. AI-powered systems can grow faster than traditional businesses, and this continuous improvement loop is a big reason why. And let's not forget scalability. With the right infrastructure, your AI-powered SaaS product can scale from a handful of customers to thousands without a corresponding increase in overhead costs. AI systems can handle more data and more users without slowing down, making them ideal for scalable businesses. So, there you have it. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your strategy, the key to building a successful AI-powered SaaS business is leveraging data, focusing on the right niche, and continuously improving based on user feedback. This is a long-term game, but the rewards? They're massive. What do you think? Ready to build your own AI-powered SaaS empire? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Want to know how to scale faster with advanced AI tools? Click on the video on screen for the next breakthrough. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Stay tuned, stay focused, and let's keep building wealth together.